Your cloud bill is lying to you. It's telling you that more traffic means more cost. But what if you could serve 10 times the users while cutting your infrastructure bill in half? It's not magic, it's smart architecture. Today, we're diving into the cloud patterns that scale efficiently without wasting a single dollar. The biggest mistake is over-provisioning, buying massive capacity for a peak that rarely happens, leaving expensive resources idle. This common practice isn't just inefficient, it's a constant drain on your budget, bleeding money every second of every day. The solution is true cloud elasticity. Let's explore the core patterns that allow your infrastructure to breathe, growing and shrinking with your real-time needs. Pattern 1 starts with the load balancer. Think of it as the ultimate traffic cop for your application's front door. It intelligently distributes incoming requests across your fleet of servers, ensuring no single one gets overwhelmed and performance stays high. But what happens when a sudden traffic spike hits? That's where its partner, autoscaling, comes into play. Based on rules you define, like high CPU usage, autoscaling groups automatically launch new servers to handle the extra load. And, crucially, when traffic subsides, it terminates those extra servers. You only ever pay for the exact compute power you need. Pattern 2. Deconstruct the monolith. A traditional monolithic application is one giant, rigid, and tightly coupled block of code. If one tiny feature needs more power, you're forced to scale the entire application, a fantastically wasteful approach. Microservices architecture shatters that monolith into small, independent services, each responsible for a single business function. Now, you can scale just the specific service that's under load, keeping your resource usage lean, targeted, and cost-effective. Ready to eliminate server management entirely? Meet Pattern 3. Serverless Computing, also known as functions as a service. With serverless, you just provide the code. The cloud platform handles everything else, running your function in response to a specific trigger or event. The billing model is revolutionary. You pay only for the compute time you consume, measured in milliseconds. If your code isn't running, your cost is zero. This makes it perfect for event-driven workloads, APIs, or data processing tasks with unpredictable traffic patterns. Our final pattern is caching. Constantly fetching the same data from a slow backend database is both expensive and bad for user experience. A cache acts as a super fast memory layer, storing frequently accessed data much closer to your application and users. This provides lightning-fast responses and dramatically reduces the operational load and cost of your primary databases. This can be a global content delivery network, or CDN, for static files, or an in-memory cache like Redis for dynamic application data. So let's recap the pillars of efficient scaling. Use load balancing and autoscaling to meet elastic demand. Break apart your applications into independent microservices to scale only what you need. Leverage serverless functions to pay only for execution time on event-driven tasks, and implement smart caching strategies to reduce latency and protect your backend systems. These patterns represent a fundamental mindset shift, from provisioning for the peak to paying only for the present moment's usage. By building with these patterns, you create systems that are not just powerful and resilient, but also incredibly cost-effective by design. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more expert tips on building smarter, more efficient systems in the cloud.